Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, sir. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing well, sir. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing exceptionally good.
So, sir,
So,
we have
uh,
met very long time. So, how is your going on practice?
my practice is going good, and yeah, it's been a very, very long time since we had talked last time. So,
Hmm.
so how have you been doing so far?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Okay, and I try to uh, practice every day
Mm,
because we know without practice, we can't go ahead. Okay, when I lost my time, when I lost my 2 minutes, 10 minutes, so I regret. Oh my God, I lost today 1 hour. I lost today 2 hours.
okay.
Okay. So yeah, I am utilizing my time proper way, and it is going to helpful for me in future.
You're right, actually. So, you speak regularly?
Actually, sir, I am working person. And being a working person, sometimes it happens that I I don't get time to practice because
Mm,
winter season is going on. So sometimes I keep on turning the pigeon in whole day.
mm,
Okay, that's why sometimes I don't get time to practice, and my owner comes every day.
okay.
Okay, so when my owner comes and my owner which my owner is with me at that time, you can say I could not practice.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I can't use mobile.
Mm, yeah, got it. Even I am not as consistent as I used to be earlier. Earlier, when I started my journey, I was very consistent at the time. I used to
Mhm.
have 2 to 3 conversation in a day, or that too daily. But these days, I'm having conversation, but it's like each other day, like alternative. So that's
Mhm.
how I am practicing. But I am trying to keeping up with practice. It's not I am just breaking the consistency, or I'm quitting the practice. It's not that. I just want to be in the game, and that's why I'm regular and I do practice daily.
Yeah, definitely. You have to. We have to be consistent. We have to be interested. After that, we can improve. If you leave 1 day, 2 day, 1 month, again you start. So again you come, beginner level.
Yeah, there is no point of speaking or practicing at that time, because it becomes a very long gap. When you come after that gap, then
Mm,
again you start from the scratch, from the beginning, and
yeah.
which is not good. So I
Mm-hmm.
think you should avoid gaps, or we should avoid these kind of gaps which really affect your speaking.
Yeah, definitely. I totally agree with you. That's why, I have work, but somehow I take out my time free to practice. Okay.
Same here, still, I am quite busy these days, and I have a lot of work to do. I'm occupied with so much work. Even then, somewhere I try to spare be 20 minutes of time to just speak with someone. Sometimes I have one conversation, and sometimes it becomes two conversation, and you are the second person today who I am talking with. And yesterday I didn't talk to anyone, but day before yesterday I talked. So that's how my practice is going on. And yeah, I'm trying to be consistent.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. So where are
So
you now? Are you in your home?
Yeah, you can say I am at my home, but not at my native home. My native place is in Aligarh, but right now, currently, I'm living in Ghaziabad. So here I am.
Karnataka.
Yeah.
I think Ghaziabad must be in the UP.
Yeah, it is in UP and near to the, you can say, Noida and Delhi. It's
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
some
So, uh, why did you
place. Yes.
come? Why did you come? Why did you come Ghaziabad for the earning purpose and job study purpose?
Actually, yeah, my study purpose. I came here and I recently completed my graduation. So yeah,
Oh, that's great. So when did you complete?
it's been I think 2 to 3 months since I've completed my graduation.
Mm. So are you looking for future?
Yeah, sure. Like my training is going on, and let's see what happens next.
Okay, so what do you want to do in your future?
Um, well, as I told you, maybe in my last conversation, I told you that at that time I had been pursuing engineering from computer science, and
Mm-hmm.
so that's why my goal is to become a software engineer. A software engineer is someone who builds the websites and apps. You know,
Mm-hmm.
so I just want to go in that field. So that's my short-term goal is.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So nowadays I think you are learning, huh?
Right. My training is going on, and I'm learning so many things as well. Still, I'm keeping up with this language as well. So there's so many things that these days I'm exploring.
Okay, okay. So I think you must be unmarried.
Yeah, sure. I'm unmarried.
Okay. Because last time I did not ask you.
Yeah, of
That's
course.
what
Like
I
I'm a
did.
student, and I'm like I am not even that much old. Like uh, right now,
So
yeah.
after getting a job, when will you get married?
Like merit is something like which I cannot be sure of. Okay,
Mhm.
like I'm not sure like when would I get married, and after joining the company, let's see what happened because we don't know about this thing. Like how can you be sure about it? Like you will get married at like, but
So tell me one thing that do you want to get married? Do you get a marriage? We can say love marriage and arranged marriage.
actually I didn't think of it that much, but
Mm.
it would be like arranged marriage. Uh,
Mhm.
yeah, maybe.
Okay. So do you think sometimes that if I get chance, though I will get love marriage, it will
Yeah,
it
or
will for me. It will be better for me. Do you
if
think like?
if someone comes in my life and that person is loyal and being honest with me,
Mhm.
and that person I find really honest and loyal, so definitely I can make something with her. So sure,
Okay, yeah,
sure,
that's great. That's
I won't
suppose
mind.
if you get educated girl, okay, and she can make you understand as she understand you very easily, okay. So
Right.
definitely, I think you should get marriage with her,
Mm.
right?
Exactly. Mm.
And what do you want to say about you can say arranged marriage?
Like both love and marriage have their pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages. So yeah, love arranged marriage is also good, and love marriage is also good, but it depends. Mm,
Yeah, it depends on person, right?
mm, right.
According to me, I think arranged marriage is good because our parents, they have dreamed that I will get marriage, my son one day. Hmm?
Right, but in love marriage, that person, that how who that person is, and how that person is like. What is the nature of
Oh,
that
yeah.
person? What is the character of that person?
Mhm.
You know that person very well. Okay? You
Yeah.
know ins and out of that person, But
mm.
in case of arranged marriage, you don't know about, and you don't know anything about that person,
Mm.
and how that person would turn out to be after marriage. So who knows that, you know? But
Because
in case of
nowadays,
about
it is
it,
happening nowadays. After getting married, some people, leave, you can say divorce. It happens. That's why
exactly.
before going to get married, we have to recognize that, girl are good or not. With whom I'm going to get married, right? And girls also think that, with whom I'm going to get married, the boy are good or not.
Yeah,
After that, they should get married. Otherwise, if they done any mistakes, so they will regret in their future.
exactly. Their life will turn into living hell. So of course they should, see everything, and they should make calculated move. So yeah, they should think very well without doing anything, because this is a very big decision. Like, I personally, I believe there are, two big decisions of your life. First is about your education, and second is your, about your marriage. So these two decisions are really very big. Like, first that I've told you that about the career, and second is marriage. So you have to, think
Mhm.
about them properly before
Mm.
making any kind of decision. So you have to think properly. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. You are saying right.
Yeah.
And because because our life is our hand, our future is in our hand. Okay.
Yeah,
So going to do anything, I have to say, we have to think.
right. And if
I'm
we,
to do this thing, so it is right or wrong. We have to think 100 times. After that, you can do no problem.
exactly, and like even a single tiny mistake would turn our life upside down, and it can make our life a living hell. So it's better, just think about that properly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's good.
And what about you? Like, how's your practice going on, and what kind of things are you doing to in order to enhance your English speaking?
Actually, I was listening a lot and I was watching video a lot. But nowadays, I listen less and I speak more.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes I can say I was not doing practice in front of mirror and in front of camera. So I have started doing practice in front of mirror and in front of camera. Sometimes I record
Okay.
myself. Sometimes
So do
I
you need?
stand in mirror and I try to do practice.
Okay.
Okay. So
So
nowadays I'm changing my we can say life slowly. Because
that's
I
great.
know that without practice, does not come anything. If you do practice, every day, then slowly, uh, everything will come to you. Okay, because we know it is not piece of cake. It is not short journey that you can achieve. You can speak in it very fluently within 1 years, within 2 years, within a 15 months. It is not easy. We have
You
to
have to be.
understand.
Mm,
Okay, we have to practice every day, every single day. We should not leave a single day.
exactly.
Okay.
Right. We have to be patient. We should, our mindset should not be like that. I will, learn this language in 3 months and 5 months and 6 months. So
Yeah,
we, it doesn't really work in real life. I know I have
I
seen
tell
so
you one
YouTube.
thing.
I have seen so many YouTubers saying you can learn this language 3 months and 6 months, which is all lie. You know, why I'm
Yeah,
saying this, you cannot learn this language in 5 to 6 months. Even if you learn, so you have to practice, for your whole life.
yeah,
Otherwise, you will forget. So it doesn't really make any sense that you can learn this language in 3 and 6 months. They are feeding you
yeah,
lies.
definitely. And I will not agree that who people are saying that I have learned English within a 2 month, 3 month, 5 month. I'm not
Mm,
agree. Okay.
right. That's very
And
good.
Who people have passion, okay, to learn English, okay, they, they can learn. Okay, suppose if you don't have passion to learn English, only you are when you get time only you practice. You don't think much. You don't read book. You don't watch any kind of videos. Okay, so I think so. You are not going to improve your English. Only just you are wasting your time. You
Exactly.
are saying that no, I am improving my English. I am improving my English. No, it takes time. We have to think. We have to observe. You have to do something. Then I
Yes.
think you can improve.
Yeah, absolutely. And these days, what is happening? Every learner is turning into a YouTuber these days. Are you observing that?
Yeah,
Like
yeah. I have
everyone who is
observed. I have
joining
observed.
this group, everyone who is joining this group is just turning into a YouTuber. Okay, they come
Mhm.
with the view to learn this language, but they eventually ended up being a YouTuber, which is
Mhm.
totally it is just
Mhm.
pointless. I would say
Because they are not learning English. They are earning money from the YouTube. Okay,
they
that's
they are
why.
earning. Okay, they are not even earning right now, but they are just
And I think they will not be able to earn money from the YouTube because earning money from the YouTube, sir, it is not easy. It is not piece of cake. I have seen, I have friend, he has 60K, can say 16K subscriber. However, he is not earning money
okay.
because I don't know what is happening. Uh, I don't know. Every YouTuber, they are not getting views
Mm,
because when I say, initially time, okay, so people did not have, account, YouTube channel. Okay.
mm,
And nowadays, lots of people, have created YouTube channel and they are uploading same video.
right.
Okay. So that's why. Suppose you are also YouTuber and I'm also YouTuber. So I'm not going to watch your video. Okay. And you are not going to watch my video. So how can I get views? Okay.
Right.
And how can I earn money from the YouTube? It is
Mm,
easy. It is not easy.
right. And you know what? Like, it is easy to learn, earn money, but there is one condition behind it. You should be upskilled. You should have some skills. It's not that you are a learner and you have created your YouTube channel and you would think that you will start earning the money. It's just useless.
Hmm.
It's like you are
People
daydreaming.
are telling lie. People are telling lie. People said, I have learned English, that's why I have created YouTube channel. No, they are telling lie. You know,
Mm,
they have decided that one day I will earn money from the YouTube. That's why they are uploading video, again, 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 again. Okay.
right. Mm.
Okay,
Yeah, I mean,
so
with that intention, everyone starts their YouTube channel. Okay.
I'm not thinking like this when I was beginner. So first of all, I wanted to learn this language. Okay. But why I created YouTube channel? Because I wanted to see myself on the YouTube. Okay,
Right.
when I was watching video on the YouTube initially time, so I thought one day, I will be on the YouTube. And today we can say no, Arjay, no, I am on the YouTube. So I am so happy.
Yeah, that's great. Nice.
Okay, so this video has recorded 19 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
So if you have any question, then shoot out.
Okay, then we can talk later.
Yeah, definitely. We can talk later.
Or you have any question you can ask.
Okay, I will ask. You can say again.
Sorry.
Okay, I will ask you a question. Next conversation.
Okay. 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 Bye. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.